When the BioStar or MiniSTAR are not in use, place the platform on the pellet cup. Secure clamping ring to the chamber and swing chamber to rest over the pellet cup. This will protect these components from lab dust and debris. The pellet drawer space of the BioStar may require cleaning. Pellets may spill into the drawer space, making a tight fit of the drawer. Simply remove the drawer from the BioStar and sweep out pellets with a brush. Engage the drawer into the BioStar to check fit. Repeat process as needed. Holes in the bottom of the pellet cup of the BioStar or MiniSTAR machine must be open. After time, dust or model debris can settle into the bottom of the cup, plugging these holes. To open these holes, push a .036 inch diameter stainless steel wire or paper clip through these holes to clean. These holes should be checked monthly. Check the top and bottom rim of the pellet cup of the BioStar machine, as well as the support blocks for debris. Pellets, acrylic, or other debris can prevent a flush fit. Check and clean these areas monthly. Approximately every 3 months or earlier if needed, lubricate and clean chamber components of the BioStar and MiniSTAR machine. To start, remove the clamping ring of the chamber. Hold the inner ring at 3 and 9 o'clock position and slide the ring up and out of the chamber. Clean the outer gasket area with a soft cloth. Then apply mobile grease to outer ring gasket. Remove the pins and springs from the chamber and clean the inner part of the chamber with a soft cloth. Clean the pinholes with a Q-tip. Apply mobile grease to the inner wall of the chamber along the top half. Also apply mobile grease to the end of the pin and spring. Then insert into chamber holes. Center ring over chamber and press into place. Clean the top gasket on the chamber ring. Dispense a drop of liquid dish soap onto fingertip and apply to gasket. Excess grease from the previous step may need to be wiped clean with a soft cloth before applying soap. An air filter is placed within the pressure line. Check the air filter for moisture or dirt. Turn off pressure and replace as needed. Pellets may be cleaned or replaced. To clean, discard pellets into a fine wire strainer. Rinse pellets with tap water. Shake off excess moisture and pour pellets onto a towel. Spread pellets along towel to speed drying process. Pellets should be completely dried before use. A hair dryer may be also used. If repeated air leaks occur during the forming process, a cold test should be done to check the gasket seal. First, properly align the platform on the inner lip of the cup. No pellets should interfere with platform position. Clamp a 2 mm thick BioCryl retainer disc material to the chamber. Turn on the BioStar or MiniSTAR machine. Enter only 5 seconds of heating time. Swing the lamp over the material clamped to the chamber to begin heating cycle. At cycle end, remove heat and swing chamber over platform. Lock chamber in place. If no leaks are present, then gaskets are functioning properly. If you have any further questions regarding your machine, please contact Great Lakes Customer Service Department at 800-828-7626.